Okay, this thing really going to amaze you. If you're looking to write script for your YouTube video, or if you are searching how to write a script for a YouTube video, then ChatGPT can help you really quick. So what I have done here, I asked, if I give you a video without voice, just a recording, can you make the script out of the video? It said, yes, absolutely. Can you see that? If you upload a screen recording / video with no voice, I can watch recording and turn what happens on screen into a complete tutorial script. I can add the instruction what type of script ChatGPT have to write out of that video recording. But I just asked a simple question and it gave me that as per the eTechnique style video, it's going to write a tutorial script. Here you can see intro / hook based on what the video demonstrate. Follow the exact action showing in the video recording and you can read the information. Okay, you can pause the video and you can read these information. So I can write more things here, avoid that and avoid this. When I uploaded the video, here you can see that without voice MP4. Here's your video, can you make a script out of it? I was just going to record a video on caption, that how to add caption to a video, and here you can see I uploaded approximate of 6-minute video and it gave me a script. I did not add any kind of voice in that video and it just watched it and gave me a script out of it. Here you can see I was showing how that software works and it gave me a script within no time. It took around 15 to 20 minutes. It usually take next 1 to 2 hours if I'll start writing this kind of script because I need to think about everything step by step. But what I have did, I just simply record it and I give that video to ChatGPT. I'm completely speechless. Do let me know what do you think about this kind of thing which ChatGPT is offering. That's all for today. See you in the next video.